This is a quadratic equation because the highest exponent on the variable is a 2. And two ways to solve a quadratic is by factoring or the quadratic formula. There are other ways, but those are the two easiest. Well, this one will not factor, so you're forced to use the quadratic formula. So a equals 2, b equals negative 2, and c equals 11. So your formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So just plug in those numbers for your variables. So b is negative 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 11. And then 2 times a in the bottom, 2 times 2. So we have two negatives together, so that ends up being a positive. 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared is a positive 4 minus 88 all over 4. So that's 2 plus or minus the square root of 84, negative 84, all over 4. And 84, negative 84 is, well, we'll say 84. 84 is 4 times 21. So that ends up being 2i, well, 2 plus or minus 4 times 21. The square root of 4 is 2, so bring out a 2 and also bring out an I because of that negative underneath the radical. And that leaves you 21 underneath over 4. Now split it up, that's 2/4 plus or minus 2i square root 21 all over 4. So that's 1/2 plus or minus square root 21 over 2 times I.